Ja, i dag der er jeg taget ud på Borup Hede. Det blæser lidt, men jeg prøver nu alligevel se om det ikke kan lade sig gøre og få lavet lidt video ud af det. Ej, der kommer lige sådan en dejlig duft af skov og gran. Så, men nu prøver jeg at sætte dronen i luften, og så må vi se om den kan klare vinden.
Mud on my boots, frost on the fence line, steam from my coffee hangs in the pale sunrise. One day it's sunshine, next day it's sleep, but I keep standing right here in this in-between. I love this unpredictable spring, cold wind, wildflowers coming through the seams. Sky can turn from gray to golden in a blink. You're laughing in the rain, then you're dancing in the wind. I love this unpredictable spring, 'cause it loves me the way you love me. Creeks running higher than it did last year. Calves in the pasture chase the thunder, chase the fear. You roll your window down, hair caught in the storm. Say let it find us, that's the way new seasons are born. I love this unpredictable spring, cold wind, wildflowers coming through the seams. Sky can turn from gray to golden in a blink. You're laughing in the rain, then you're dancing in the wind. I love this unpredictable spring, 'cause it loves me the way you love me. Some folks pray for steady weather, same sky, same sun forever, but I miss your shiver when the north gusts sing, your bare feet splashing in the fields when the robins sing. Oh, I love this unpredictable spring, cold wind, wildflowers coming through the seams. Sky can turn from gray to golden in a blink. You're laughing in the rain, then you're dancing in the wind. I love this unpredictable spring. Yeah, it loves me the way you love me, the way you love me. In this unpredictable spring. On this kind of day,
The leaves must fall, they will in time.
but tonight you're yours, and this sun is mine.
Let it burn, let it stay.
Let this summer never fade. Summer rolls in like an old friend's truck, kicking up light and a cloud of love. Windows down and our worries thin, every shade of gold on your skin. Hold me close while the day runs long. tough. Again.